So to answer your first question, what was my original or our original business idea? And the original business idea was to challenge the traditional recruitment models and bring a lot more value into the executive search work that we were doing at the time, and actually to add more value, but to create more skin in the game from our perspective. So, for example, we looked for organisations that were going through a change and needed to hire, or just expansion, and needed to hire some really good quality people, and over a 12-month period, create a pipeline for them in different market sectors or different skill sets or different leadership profiles. And what we did was we took the 3 chunks of executive search funding that you normally do in 3 parts. First part being to engage with you, the second part to do a shortlist, the second part, obviously, when you finalise the assignment, was to make sure that we all won. So the first part was paid over 12 months. The second part was paid when the person started, obviously. And the final part was where we divided it into different sections. So sometimes the customer wouldn't finish paying for this project for maybe 18 to 20 months, which really helped with their cash flow. It was a fixed price. And also, of course, we had a fabulous partnership where we could really evangelise about what they wanted to do and make sure that we saved their time with the amount of people that they saw. And also we could identify with their internal processes when they were onboarding to make sure that it was a really successful onboarding program, and identify, in one particular case, somebody who just didn't work in the first 2 to 3 weeks. So it was a really good call just to help this person decide something new, and it didn't cause a lot of problems in the business. And we, of course, had a replacement very quickly on board, and it was just a wonderful experience for us all. It was a great commercial marriage. It really was. So that's what was our original idea. The business today differs only slightly. We still do those models and love to work with people over a long period of time. So the way it's changed for us is that we are now working internationally. So, for example, one of the customers that I have, an amazing organisation called C2FO, we are putting people in India for them. We're putting people in Germany for them. They're obviously based in the US. I've put people in China, people in Taiwan. We've got another 2 assignments in China for them because that's a big market for them. And we will put people in Australia. So we're creating jobs here in Australia, which is fantastic. That's a great win and a great feeling when you see these organisations grow. And we're doing work internationally because today is a global market. It's very different. So there's no reason for us not to do assignments in Germany from Australia. It does mean a lot of night work, but that's the way it is, and we just get on with it. We've got great researchers and we love it. So that's how it's sort of differed from the beginning. And if I could offer myself some advice, I would say that to make sure that you really, really hire really well. Sometimes we hire in our own image and we think we can do wonderful things with people, and we can, but make sure that you're very disciplined about the way you hire. Even though we're a headhunting firm, we had to use headhunters to go and find people because we were busy doing what we could do, and those recruitment to recruitment specialists knew their market. So we paid a lot of money to build our team, and it was really successful doing that. And the other thing is to make sure that you invest along the way. And also to remember why you do it, because it's just a fantastic opportunity if you love working with people, great people, and you love making a difference to businesses. So I hope that's answering your questions, Bambi, and thank you very much for this opportunity.